In Feng Shui, ang water dispenser ay consider as water element, kaya crucial din ito sa placement nito sa kusina ng bahay to avoid unwanted consequences. First, a water dispenser katabi ang stove, clashing ito dahil fire versus water. Second, a water dispenser facing the stove, clashing energies ang meron. Third layout, a water dispenser placed beside the sink. Good layout since both a water element. Fourth layout, a water dispenser placed beside the refrigerator. Good layout dahil parehong water element. Remember, a simple proper arrangement lang ng mga gamit sa bahay tulad ng water dispenser ay may effect sa chi flow when it comes in Feng Shui. Kaya naman, saan nakalagay ang water dispenser ninyo sa bahay? I-comment mo na yan. Sana ay may natutunan kayong bago mula sa amin. Master Michael here, simplifying Feng Shui for everyone.